I've been waiting for this box for 2 years to show up, and it's finally here. What's going on, everybody? My name's Patrick. You're watching Garage Rats. Normally, we're working on cars, not opening boxes. But this is kind of a unique exception because I bought this 2 years ago. 2 years ago! And if you don't know what this is, I will explain it all for you. 2 years ago, a Kickstarter was started by a little YouTube channel called Donut Media. Donut Media wanted to make a collectible for car people like you and me. That would be an officially licensed product and would also be fun and cool and maybe even have like a customizable parts. The first one that they did was the Acura Integra. We're talking the DC2, DC4, that kind of generation. They did the DC2 Type R.
B Tech.
And it came in multiple colors, and then some of them they even had combo deals. What they ended up doing was they did a yellow one, a black one, a white one. They did a glow in the dark one. There was I think a 10 karat gold one, or a gold plated one, and there was only going to be one of those. There was a limited amount also that were signed by the Donut team. They partnered with a company called Level 52, which makes parts like models and figurines with companies like Activision and Blizzard, and they partnered with them to help them make this product. Obviously, if you've paid attention to anything, anywhere, in any part of the world, in any recent amount of history, you would know of a little thing called the coronavirus. Kind of put a hamper on things, manufacturing-wise. So here we are, 2 years later, finally got my cars, my Stockies, as the #1 Stocky. So I wanted to kind of show it off with Garage Rats, with all my friends in Garage Rats, because I think this is probably going to be the cool thing, the next cool thing for car people. They were very meticulous during the development of this, and they even had representatives over there. So let's open it up, see what happens. So I've got the combo pack, which means that I got 3 of them. And as you're about to see, I can already see some of them. Let's see. This is cool. So this is, as you can see, these are the different ones that came. So you have the, what is this, Nighthawk Black Pearl. Nighthawk Black Pearl, Phoenix Yellow, Championship White, the Donut Signature Car, Glow in the Dark, Translucent. They even had a, oh, this is the Translucent. They had a primer one that you could paint your own. This one is a Low Car Signature Edition. And then they also had a Real-Time Racing Signature Edition as well. I'm not sure what their plan is for having these in stock in the future, but I think that they're planning on doing more. I mean, I know that they're planning on doing more of these, but let's get the rest out and we'll keep talking about it. So obviously there's a, they had their QA wasn't the best, it already seems. So we'll just go ahead and sew that back up. Nobody saw that, right? So we got the we got a couple options here. So we got the Nighthawk Black Pearl Integra Type R, which is a really cool model. I don't really want to open them though, but I probably should if we're going to do an unboxing. We should probably look at these. This box obviously had some issues because it didn't want to seal even like right there, but maybe we'll open the Nighthawk Black Pearl. The other thing I noticed immediately was, for something that's kind of a collector base type thing, that looks like the tire on the Championship White one didn't quite get on there. So whatever, they're cool. It's meant to be a fun experience, not a serious endeavor. But we'll go ahead And since this one kind of was already open, we'll open it up because I'm not that kind of collector. I'm a fun collector. I like to cut them out. So when you open it up, the package has like looks like a wood container, which is kind of cool. Like a barn, I suppose, or a shed of some sort, garage. Slides out. See the inside. Kind of looks like a shop in there. It's pretty cool. Pretty good attention to detail so far. And then yeah. So again, these are officially licensed products from Acura. These are legit. They work closely with Acura, I believe, on the process, and they had to have their approval in order to even make these. So definitely a nice touch. It's not just a fly-by-night weird whatever. It's definitely a cool collector that has some real authenticity sort of thing behind it that is blessed by the manufacturer themselves. So it's really kind of cool to have something like this. Man, this looks really good. But so let's look over the car. So you obviously, they call this scale. So normally with cars, you get like a RC car, you got like a scale, like a 118 or 1 to 18 scale, or like a 164 scale. They call this 1 to thick boy, and they're not kidding. Boom. So the front looks really cool. Side looks really cool. I like the butt of it. It looks really nice. It definitely is very DC2. Yeah, I mean they're they're cool. There's not much to say about them. I do know that they are talking about, or they work. Yeah, see, they're talking about making like replaceable wheels for them, so that way you can customize your cars and do different things with them. So that way you can make them look like maybe like your own. Maybe you wanted a set of TEs or RPF1s on your Black Hawk Night Pearl, or Black. What did I say? I've already got the color wrong. Nighthawk Black Pearl. Maybe you want to get a set of TEs on your Nighthawk Black Pearl Integra DC2 Type R to match the one that you might have at home. The finish on these is a little dull in terms of like you'll see like the hood. It's got like a, if you look here, it's got like a nice shine on the hood, but if you compare that to like the fender, it's a little bit on the whatever side. But it's a car. It's a little tiny thick boy Integra, and I think this is probably one of the coolest things to come out in the last couple years in terms of a collector standpoint. So if you like things like Funko Pops or like cool signature series sort of collector things, you might want to run over to donutmedia.com, see if they have them. I don't know. I got mine, like I said, I got mine through Kickstarter. I paid 2 years ago. I think I paid like 62 bucks for all three, which if you break it down is like, I think they sell them for 25 a piece. Or they did. I don't know what the story is for the future stuff, but you should definitely check out donutmedia.com. And I'm pretty sure what they were hinting at for a close number 2 was maybe an NSX. I don't know. So if you're a big person of the NSX, maybe go tag Donut Media and ask them what the story is about a future, what the future is for the Stocky line here. My name's Patrick. You're watching Garage Rats. Thanks for watching. This has been my little unboxing and review, my quick review of the Stocky, as it says right here, the first edition. It says the Stocky #1 DC2, Acura DC2 Integra Type R, officially licensed product, 2022, Donut Media, collector's item, ages 14 and up. But yeah. If you want to get your hands on one, let Donut Media know. Go tag them on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Check out their store maybe. I don't know what the story is with them, but if you have a chance, get one. They're really cool. I'm going to put all 3 of mine on a shelf somewhere just as soon as I figure out where I'm going to put them. So if you watched this far, thanks for watching. Click subscribe. We're going to keep working on the EG very soon. I got a fuel filter in. Just like a couple days ago. We got parts coming in this week. We're hoping to have this thing fire in the next video, so stay tuned. We have big changes that I've already done on the car. We're just not done making that video, so stay tuned. we'll be firing it up here very shortly. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.